2019 Chevrolet Silverado LT crew cab, blacked out aluminum alloy wheels, new Toyo tires, tow hitch trailer package, remote control tailgate, bed liner, rear bumper protector, side step running boards, door window visors, tinted windows, that's a well-kept black interior, all-weather floor liners, power windows, locks, and mirrors, power driver's seat adjustments, automatic headlights, heated front seats, Apple CarPlay, backup camera, Wi-Fi, hands-free Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, just under 89,000 miles. Come on and see us, AU Cars.